Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Mesh. Today we will see a backtest trading strategy and how happens if you invested in VeChain $10 daily, starting with January 1st, 2020. Let's see how much profit we could made with VET.
I'm turbulent and you are cool. Oh.
If you want to know more about VeChain, please find a link in the description below.
Like a fool. But I don't care 'cause you do like me. Do like me. We lose it all and we'll be free. We lose it all.
I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.